the previous lecture we discussed regression analysis. The first method that we use to find regression equation, that is with the help of linear equation. Now the second method that I am going to discuss is regression equation through regression coefficients. When we talk about regression coefficients, there are two regression coefficients, that is x on y and y on x. So for x on y we say bxy, and for y on x we say byx. Now, there are two methods with the help of which we find regression equation with the help of regression coefficient. One is your deviations taken from actual mean and another is deviations taken from assumed mean. So, from actual mean, the equation is x minus x bar is equal to bxy, y minus y bar, where bxy is equal to summation xy upon summation y square. So, in case of y on x, the equation is y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So, byx is equal to summation xy upon summation x square. Now, here small x means x minus x bar, which is actual mean. Y is equal to y minus y bar. Now, there are two cases where we can find the regression coefficients with actual mean and assumed mean. So, actual mean method we use when the actual mean is not in fractions. For example, if the actual mean is 30, 40, 50, it has to be a whole number. It should not be in fraction. If x bar or y bar is in fraction, then the method that we use is deviations taken from assumed mean. So, as per the question, the two variables are given, x and y. So, x is 40, 38, 35, 42, 30. Y is equal to 30, 35, 40, 36 and 29. So, I will be totaling the values of x to get summation x, that is 185. And by totaling the values of y, I get summation y is equal to 170. Now, I have to calculate the mean of x value, series as well as y series. I know that x bar is equal to summation x upon n and y bar is equal to summation y upon n. So, here summation x is equal to 185. Number of items are 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that makes 37. Similarly, to calculate y bar, which will be equal to summation y upon n, that is 170 divided by 5, that gives 34. Now, I have to find small x, small x square, small y square as well as x, y. So, to calculate small x, I will be subtracting the original values from the actual mean, that is 40 minus 37. So, this is 37 and this is 34. So, 40 minus 37 will give me 3. 38 minus 37 will give me 1. 35 minus 37 will give me minus 2. 42 minus 37 will give me 5. And 30 minus 37 will give me minus 7. Similarly, I will be calculating small y, that is 30 minus 34 will give me minus 4. 35 minus 34 will give me 1. 40 minus 34 give me 6. And 36 minus 34 will give me 2. 29 minus 34 will give me minus 5. Now, I will be doing the square of the x value. 3 into 3 will give me 9. 1 into 1 will give me 1. Minus 2 into minus 2 will give me 4. 5 into 5 will give me 25. 7 into 7 will give me 49. Similarly, to find a y square, I will be squaring the values of y. 4 into 4 will be 16. 1 into 1 will be 1. 6 into 6 will be 36. 2 into 2 will be 4. 5 into 5 will be 25. To find xy, I will be multiplying small x into small y. So, 3 into minus 4 will give me minus 12. 1 into 1 will give me 1. 2 into 6 will give 2 into 6 will give me minus 12. 5 into 2 will give me 10 and this will give me 35. So, the total will be 46. Now, I have calculated all the values. So, now putting into the equation. I know the equation is for x on y is x minus x bar, which is equal to bxy is equal to y minus y bar. So, first I have to calculate bxy, which is equal to summation xy upon summation y square. So, what is summation xy is 46. So, 46 upon y square is 82. So, I get 0.56. Now, I am putting the values in this equation. So, x minus x bar is equal to bxy, y minus y bar. So, x will be as it is. What is x bar here? 37 is equal to bxy we calculated, that is 0.56. So, I have put 0.56 here. Bracket started. Y minus y bar is 34. 34. So I have put 34. So solving the equation x minus 36 is equal to 0.56y. Multiplying 0.56 into 34, that will give me minus 19.04. So x is equal to 0.56y minus 19.04 plus 37. X is equal to 0.56y minus 17.96. So I will be writing the equation in this form. X is equal to minus 17.96 plus 0.56y. So this is 17.96 will be your A and 0.56 will be your B. So this is x on y equation. So coming up to the y on x, equation is y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. So the formula to calculate byx is equal to summation xy upon summation x square. So again putting the values in the equation, the value of y bar is 34. Byx we calculated as 0.52, so I have put 0.52 here. X minus, what is x bar? 37. So x minus 34 is equal to 0.52, which is byx. Bracket started x minus x bar, which is 37. So y minus 34 will be equal to 0.52x minus 19.24. Y is equal to 0.52x minus 19.24 plus 34. Y is equal to 0.52x plus 14.76. So y is equal to 14.76 plus 0.52x. So this is y on x. So here A is 14.76 plus what is B? 0.52. So this is your regression equation that we calculating through regression coefficients. Sometimes the question also asks you to find the correlation. So the formula to find correlation in case of regression coefficient is R is equal to bxy into byx under root. So what is bxy that we have calculated is 0.56 and what is byx is 0.52. So when I multiplied it, I get 0.2912 and the answer is 0.53. So we can also calculate correlation from the regression coefficients. Thank you.